these BOMI designations are the absolute premium way to get career education for the commercial real estate industry, whether it's the RPA, the FMA, or the SMA. It is the best education that gives you the tools and expertise that you need to do well in this industry.
All of the designation classes provide the core knowledge and skills that you need to be successful in your position, whether that's property management or engineering.
I started my real estate industry education just over 25 years ago by taking my first BOMI course. Today, 25 years later, I'm still using some of the same principles that I learned in my very first class.
I believe that completing all the courses in the RPA designation program not only provides baseline knowledge about commercial property management and operations, but it helps to develop analytic and research skills for problem solving and innovation.
It is the place to go to learn all this information. And, the course curriculum is developed by thought leaders in our industry.
Choosing BOMI for my real estate credentials means that I'm choosing an organization that understands what I do on a daily basis and what my team needs to do on a daily basis. BOMI is a no-brainer.
You need to assure yourself that you know what you're doing by achieving like an RPA. And it's also assures your employer that you're interested in staying in the industry long term and preparing you for the next step.
That's why I choose BOMI.
That's
why I chose BOMI.